Hello YouTubers, my name is Magana and welcome to this unboxing video. So it's called Work Training Shed Set. And this one's called the Bus and Depot Set. So I'd rather do an unboxing video on Roll Tunes, but I'd rather do on JM equals just a Magana. So take it out of the box and see what's inside there. Another Munipals box. Well, I'm not trying to make much noise, but at noon I will make much noise. Pause for a second. I wonder what's inside there. There's nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing in here, but here's the list of work it. So here's the first box I'm gonna open. Watch closely as I open this. This is a rider car, so it looks pretty cool, and it has nothing on the top, but the others has something on the top. The Munipals logo with a 7 at the end. It looks pretty cool. The next box is this box. And here's the locomotive. The MTA logo. The front with the flag in it. And the back as well. Looks pretty cool as well. Just stick it here. It makes it perfect. So the last one is this. The flatbed car. This is not like the others. But the next video will do a bus and depot set right after this. So it looks pretty cool. Oops, wrong way. There we go. So that's how you do an unboxing video. Yep. And in the noon, I won't make much noise. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.